This video I will explain the difference between UPI Collect Request and AutoPay. First we will see what is UPI. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. UPI is a digital payment system that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account using mobile app like Google Pay, PhonePe or Paytm. You confirm payments using your UPI PIN, which keeps the transaction secure. Now we will see what is a UPI Collect Request. A UPI Collect Request is a payment request sent to you by another person or a business. Instead of you sending money first, the other party asks you to pay. Now we will see how it works. A person or company sends you a payment request through UPI. You receive a notification in your UPI app. You check the details such as amount, sender and the reason. If you agree, you enter the UPI PIN to approve the payment. The money is then transferred from your bank account. The important point is that the payment happens only after you approve it each time. For example, a shopkeeper sends you a collect request for 500 rupees. You approve it and the payment is completed. Now we will see what is AutoPay. AutoPay is a feature that allows automatic payments from your bank account for recurring services. This usually works through UPI AutoPay. Instead of approving payment every time, you give permission once by creating a mandate. A mandate means you allow the system to automatically deduct money on a fixed schedule. Example uses are subscription services, streaming platforms, loan payments, insurance premiums, and monthly bills. After you approve the mandate with your UPI PIN, the payment can happen automatically on the scheduled date. The biggest difference is how often you approve the payment. In case of UPI Collect Request, you must approve every payment manually. In case of AutoPay, you approve once and future payments happen automatically. In case of UPI Collect Request, you have full control each time because you must approve every request. In case of AutoPay, the payment is automatic once the mandate is active. UPI Collect Request is usually used for one-time payments. AutoPay is used for recurring payments, which means payments that happen regularly, such as monthly or yearly. For a UPI Collect Request, you must open the app and enter your UPI PIN every time. For AutoPay, you enter your UPI PIN only once when creating the mandate. A UPI Collect Request is a one-time payment request that requires your approval each time. AutoPay is a recurring payment system where you give permission once and payments happen automatically later. Both are part of the UPI payment system, but they are used for different purposes. One is for single payments, while other is designed for automatic recurring payments.